Okay, so what we are doing right now is box and whisker plots with baseball, which I am doing. And this is how to do box and whisker plots with any numbers you have. So the numbers that we have are 6, 8, 19, 29, 12, 16, 18, and 14. And the way to find all the quartiles, lower extreme and higher extreme, is put them in order. So we have them in a random order, as you probably do. And to find quartile 1, quartile 2, and quartile 3, and all the extremes, is put them from lowest to highest, right? Or greater, lower, least to greatest. And then you have to cross out numbers. So what I did, so I crossed out 29 to 6, 19, 8, 18, and 12. So what I'm left with is 14 and 16. And what you have to do with those two numbers, sometimes you'll have 1, sometimes you'll have 2. When you have 1, you just use that number. But when you have 2, which is what we have in this situation right now, is you add them up. 14 plus 16 is 30. 30 divided by 2 is 15. So that actually equals quartile 2. And then we need quartile 1 and quartile 3. So you want to use your already crossed out numbers, and you want to find the middle one. So the middle one for this one over here was 8, so that's quartile 1. Then the one over here was 19, so that is quartile 3. So what we have are all our quartiles: quartile 1, quartile 2, and quartile 3. So now what you want to do, you want to have your number line from any numbers you really feel comfortable with, but you have to have your numbers that are between them. So what I did was 0 to 30, which fit all my numbers. So what you have to do is, what I like to do is, I like to do everything from this way to this way. So I did lowest extreme, which is that number, which is the lowest number in your numbers. So it was 6, so I put it on the 6 in the line, number line. Then I go to quartile 1. So quartile 1 was 8, as you can see, so I put it on the 8. And then, we're using dots, by the way, and then quartile 2, obviously, it is 15, so you put it on the 15. Then, quartile 3 is 19. 19, right? So we put it on the 19, and then the greatest extreme, whatever you want to say, is 29. So I have 4 dots, but you may not see that. Actually, no, not 4 dots. We have 6 dots. No, oh my god, we have 5 dots. So what you want to do is you want to make the box. So you're going to put a line through quartile 1, which is 8, which what I did. See, a line. Then quartile 2, you're going to put a line through. Quartile 3, a line, right? Then you have to make the box. So you connect a line on these boxes, on the lines, sorry, like this. So now you have a box. It doesn't have to be perfect, but if you can make it neat, good. Then what you want to do with the remaining dots, you just want to make a line all the way through to the box, just like this. Now that's how you make a box and whisker plot. But then when you want to find your median, which is always the middle number, so the median is obviously 15. So that is how to do box and whisker plots.